Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today, I'm going to be showing you second part of how to grow Verbena from Thompson Morgan. These are Bonariensis. I can never pronounce that. Has tranquility to borders. Bees love them. Great for pollinators. Here on the back, just got some instructions there. So what we're going to do with these is take these, put them on from these pots into these beautiful 9.5cm pots. Also, a little tip and trick that I use. I'm going to be pinching out the tops of these. That will cause them to bush out from the sides, produce more flowers, and stockier, more resilient plants. So that's just a little tip for you there. I'm using a peat-based compost here. This is the last I've got of this compost, but I'm using this because I've got it, I have it, and I'm going to use it. I don't want to just chuck it away. I do normally use cocoa coir now, which I find a really good substitute for peat. It roughly holds the same amount of moisture and it dries the same. So it's a really good substitute, that cocoa coir. So yeah, it's a peat-based compost, and there's absolutely stunning plants. So first of all, what I'm going to do first is fill one of these 9cm pots up, and I'll leave enough room in to be able to get the root ball. You want it the same height it is in this tray. Let's get that to one side. Nice. Down the side. You can always tell a good plant. Look at the quality of leaves there. Nice, bright white, new growth. Absolutely amazing. So in your pot like so, and then just hold the main stem. You don't want to bury any leaves, cause any damp or mildew. Give it a tap down. Final bit, that's spot on. And all you do is give it a little water and just settle that in. That'll go to my tray. So as by magic, we'll get back to you when the rest are potted up. Right, here we go, the last one, just in this tray. We can get this out of here, that's it. So, yeah, these are 9cm pots. Can't recommend them enough. Got them off from eBay. These are used at garden centres, what plants arrive in. And then they sell them on as used. Only a couple of pence each, and they do last a few years. So yeah, that's that. Once you've done that, you want to get these out of the way, folks. 2 seconds. And then what you need to do then is just give them a water, really good water in. These have been in heated propagator. These are just going to be on the bench now. Start hardening them off now. Make sure they're watered all the way through. If you've got a tray with some water, and you can also stand it in there to water from the bottom, whichever way is fine. A little trick I'm going to show you just to get more plants, more flowers, sorry. When you get more flowers, all you need to do with these is just pinch the top out like so. Get your thumb and forefinger, get that in here, pinch out just near a leaf node, and that will cause them to thicken up and get more shoots, more flowers. So yeah, it's a little tip and trick just to get more flowers out. So yeah, that's how to put on your Verbena. If you've got any questions, hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe and like and follow. I really do appreciate it. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.